Hello sweet friends and crafters, welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. For today's video, I will be sharing a design team project for Scrapdiva Designs from the October release. I will have links to the dies used in this project in the description box below to make it easy for you to shop should you care to purchase the dies. They are affiliate links. They don't cost you anything extra to use, but they do help me on my channel, and I wish to thank you so very much for doing that. You can also use Carol10 at checkout for 10% off your order. So the first die I'm going to share with you is the Fall Jelly Tote Bag is the name of it. And you get this piece right here, which has acorns in it. And then you get this piece as well that goes on top if you care to make this a shaker, or you can use this to embellish your little jelly bag. You also get the side piece that cuts out the acorns, and then this of course is the bottom, and then you get a stitched piece for your designer paper. You also get this for the handle that you can embellish that has stitching, and then you also get this piece that goes on top of here for more embellishment or shaker options. You also do get a couple acorns to decorate your jelly bag, and then this little clip in a little circle to embellish that as well in the die. So there are 10 dies in this die set. I also used this die from the September release, which is the thankful word, and it just says thankful and it has a background. I really like the font on this one. Before I share with you my project, let me just say, if you are new or this is your first time here, my videos feature lots of paper crafting ideas and tutorials. If this is something you enjoy, won't you please consider subscribing? I'd love to have you back. And for all my returning friends and subscribers, welcome back. You mean the world to me, and I appreciate your support and comments. So this is what I created with the fall jelly bag. It's really super cute. It would be a wonderful hostess gift if you're going to someone's house for a Thanksgiving. And of course, you wouldn't have to put the little girl on it. You could put whatever you want. But it is a beautiful gift. As you can see here, I did make the little acorns to embellish my little jelly tote. This girl is from My Porch Prints, and it is the Halloween and Fall Cottage Kids. And then I just used some dies from my stash to create the flowers for here. And here's the word thankful. And then what I put inside of here was some Bath and Body Works products that I have on hand for gift giving. And you can see how pretty a gift that this makes. Now I do have a idea for, you could see here the little acorns peeping through, and I did embellish with this piece right here. I cut this out from my background paper to put on there to embellish my jelly bag. Okay, and I was saying that I do have an idea for a more masculine gift, which I hope works out. It's the next project I'm going to do, so hopefully it works out, and I will share that with you so that you have a masculine and feminine hostess gift. But this is super cute. I love it. It's so darling. So thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this project as much as I did bringing it to you. I'll put it this way so you could get a better look. I'm going to be switching out to the Christmas Cottage Kids pretty soon. So this may be one of the last times you see this cute little set. So thank you again for joining me. Remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go. And until the next time, happy crafting. Bye-bye.